All right, pay attention. Let me show you how to solve this question. Find the angle X in the figure below. If you look at this figure, this is angle on a straight line. The sum of angle on a straight line is 180 degrees. Are you following? So, what we now have is angle A, 2x, B, 120, plus angle C, which is what? X, equals 180. All right. Collecting like terms, 2x plus x gives you what? 3x equals 180. 120, we need to cross equality sign. Are you following? To be minus 120. 3x equals 180 minus 120 is 60. We are looking for the value of x primarily. To get the value of x, we need to make x the subject of formula by dividing both sides of the equation with the coefficient of x, which is 3. 3 can cancel 3. 60 divided by 3 gives you what? 20. Therefore, x equals 20. The value of this angle C is 20. Let us substitute x as 20 so that we can get the exact value of this angle as well. Because this angle cannot just be 2x. Substituting x as 20, what we have there is the angle is 2x, which is the same thing as 2 times s, which is now what? 20, right? 2 times 20 is what? 40. What it simply means that this angle A is 40. Now let's do a simple summation. Angle A, 40, plus angle B, 120, plus angle C, 20. 40 plus 20 is 160. 160 plus 20 is 180. That is the value of angle on a straight line, 180. So the value of x as 20 is 100% correct. Take your time to watch this video again. If you have any question, let us know in the comment section. This is Student Affairs. Keep learning. Bye for now.